What's going on, guys? Tyler from Allen Eds. Wanted to talk about one of the biggest things that customers ask: the difference between factory and aftermarket speakers. The one thing you're going to notice is all the paper, just paper cone, very cheap foam, very small magnet, just build them as cheap as possible. I was just going to show you guys a couple of examples. This is going to be a focal access speaker that's going to be more matching the rear. It's going to have a tweeter built in. It's going to be one of the #1 differences. The other thing is it's going to be an aluminum woven speaker, as well as the much nicer speaker, much more magnet depth. It's going to actually last a lot longer. It's going to sound a lot better too. The front I was going to compare it to is an Infinity Kappa Perfect. It's actually made out of carbon fiber. Has a crossover not shown, but again, this thing's a much bigger magnet. Will handle a lot more power and much nicer material. It's going to sound better, last a lot longer, handle a lot more power. And same thing with the tweeters too. Like I said, this is going to be an aftermarket aluminum tweeter versus the factory too. Just much big difference as well too. One of the things too, when I talk to customers as well as installs, is what we do here at Allen Eds is we always make an MDF trim ring, and we silicone seal our speakers to make them fit correctly. A lot of shops, as you guys can see, the speaker's not really designed to go in this opening. So what we need to do is we actually make an MDF trim template that'll actually match the size. We silicone seal it with either double stick or silicone, and we actually mount the speaker on top to actually give it that factory fit and finish, as well as the depth that it needs to clear any sort of windows or anything like that. But like I said, just to drive the point home, you can see how much cheaper this speaker is. You can see that, you know, sound quality is not the ideal with the solution, and they're just trying to do it as cost effective as possible. Versus, like I said, Focal and Infinity right here, you can see that sound quality, fit and finish is going to be, you know, #1 to anything else, and that's why you're also paying a premium. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Tyler from Allen Eds. Give us a call, 310-542-5588.